we came over to a walking trail, and the walking trail mein, we'll show you some nice things over here. You can see there's some nice surroundings, really big trees everywhere. This is the trail itself. Pretty nice, pleasant weather today. It's 65, almost 70 degrees Fahrenheit. थोड़ा आगे दिखा आगे. Okay, so still walking on the trail. थोड़ा ऊपर से shot लेंगे so you can see what's around. You can hear the birds singing. This is where we came from. आगे पानी भी है. There's like a stream over here. So we'll show you all those things as well. So यहाँ पे भी सब railing है, wooden railing, nice place to walk on the thing. So you can see the stream over here too, stream of water, which is alongside of the walking trail. ज़्यादा बारिश तो नहीं है, so otherwise ये full flowing ज़्यादा होता है उधर पानी का. So let's keep going. Sometimes जब एक बड़ा storm आएगा, you can see that this whole tree fell down. Here's the roots of the tree, and the front of the tree is over there, inside the water. That's when some big storm is there. So this is also a good angle from here. और इधर वो bridge है, वो bridge पे जाएंगे. I'll take a shot from there as well. You can see the flowing water that's coming underneath the bridge. And we'll see you on the bridge side. Let's go to the bridge. Bridge पे walk करते हैं, चलो. इधर पानी का आवाज आ रहा है. It's nice. This is the other side of the bridge. तो ये ब्रिज है. ब्रिज के ऊपर चलो. थोड़ा sun भी आ गया अभी बाहर. So it's nice weather. It's warm. There you go. There's the sun. Walking on the bridge, continuing on the trail. You can see that if ज़्यादा storm आ गया तो सब trees they all fall down. There's a broken tree up there. And then in around 2 months, you will not see all the brown, you'll see all the green. The trees will be full with green color. And the trail continues over here. Some kind of bird. Catching some nice video on the water there. Alright. Get you on the other side. You can see some more nice views from here. We're gonna go down right down to the water on the other side over here and show you guys some hopefully nice show you some nice views from there. Okay, so now we're gonna go on this shortcut to the water. So let's take it down here. Nice and sunny. This is just a path to the water. The flowers here. Okay, so we're at the water now. This is some of the water here. देख रहा था कि इधर fish है कि नहीं, but it doesn't look like there's any fish, at least over here. उधर bridge है, that's where we came from, and then we just took a shortcut down from there to here. All these trees will become green. सब green हो जाएगा 1-2 महीने में. Soon as summer comes. This is some nice flowing water. Hope you guys are enjoying the video of nature. You can see that this tree is completely taken off from the ground. The roots and the front of the tree, यहाँ पे in the front. So things are starting to get green over here, but still some time. Okay guys, so we're at the end of the trail, back to where we started. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for any videos you want me to make in the future. So bye for now, take care, see you soon.